Friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy and pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, from the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like blanket, sweater, jacket, etc. It is 4 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 5 plus 4 extra stitches and plus 2 S stitches. 5 plus 4 plus 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends and in your groups. Thank you and keep supporting me. Friends, for making this pattern I am used 9 number of needle here and 3 ply wool. So first of all we will cast on stitches on my needle. Make a knot here like this, and then two, three, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16. So friends, I have cast on 16 stitches on my needle. 10 multiple of 5 plus 4 extra stitches, 14 plus 2 edge stitches, so total 16 stitches. Friends, before starting the pattern, first of all I will prepare a base row here. So for making a base row, slip the edge stitch. After that, purl all the stitches. So friends, I have prepared a one base row here, wrong side. Now this is a right side. So we'll start the pattern. First row of the pattern, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then yarn in back. Now we will knit this stitch from below, from here like this. We will not knit the stitch like this. We will knit a stitch from here, from below like this. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is yarn in front, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn in back, knit to 1 stitch from below, from here. So in this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have 5 stitches, so yarn in front, purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn in back and simply knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After these stitches our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4. In this way we will complete our second row. Last is our edge stitch, so yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. Third row, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit the stitch from below, from here. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 1 stitch from below, from here. So friends, in this way we will complete our third row. At the last I have 5 stitches, so yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, simply knit the edge stitch. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch. After that knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After these 5 stitches our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, knit 1, purl 2 and knit 1. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. So one more repeat is purl 1 stitch, knit 1 stitch, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2 and knit 1 stitch. Last is our edge stitch, so yarn in front, purl the edge stitch. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 4 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 4 rows we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.